Good morning, Paris. So today our itinerary is we're gonna go to outlet. So outlet that we're going is called La Vallée Village. So mga 1.5 lang siya from our hotel. Actually 1 hour and 10 minutes by train. Let's go. It's kind of hot, so is mura lang siya. Ang ticket is just 2.5 euro. And pwedeng balikan 5 euro lang. So ayan yung train. Kukunin ng ticket. Guys, get your ticket. The train station in Paris. Toilet. Buti walang bayad. Sa pangalan. In fairness, ang linis ng train nila here. Malinis yung train. Kala ko madumi or ano, pero ang linis, ang ganda. Kasi compare sa New York, ang dumi nung sa New York. Pero dito, malinis. Saka yun, no? May tiles, may ano. Pero kasi hindi ako masyado mag-use ng phone kasi sabi, be mindful. And dapat yung phone is may straps. Ang cute to. Double-decker yung ano, train nila. Cute. Kaya nga tite, double-decker yung train nila here. Ayan, so andito na kami at the end of the station and then 15 minutes walk dun sa outlet. So yung outlet, it's named La Vallée Village. You have to put back your ticket. Ayan, para tayo makalabas. And I got it. Wow, ang ganda naman ng village. Ayan. So, yung mga tao, dun din talaga pupunta. Ayan, madaming pumupunta sa outlet. So, yung outlet, ay hindi, i-review muna natin yung train. Actually, yung train, it's better than I expected. Kasi, ang linis, ang bango, not like what we saw sa mga pages natin. It's really clean. And ang cute kasi 2-deck siya. And actually, yung mga tao, they're really nice also because we need to change train and we're not standing up. And sinabihan kami na, oh, we have to change train. So, yun. Very, safe to actually mag-train here in Paris. And ang mura pa ng ticket kasi one ride or parang two-way ride only cost us around 5 euro. Ang cute din ng small village dito sa malapit sa outlet. Ang cute din ng small village. Actually, itong stop malapit din sa going to Disneyland Paris. Hindi na kami nag-Disneyland Paris since 4 days, 3 nights lang kami. So, parang sayang na mga araw na parang ang Disneyland is almost the same lang naman. Kaya, yun, we choose shopping. It's a 15 minutes walk, ayan. So, from the station, it's a 1 kilometer distance. Around mga 15 minutes walk lang naman. Kasi, andito na, parang papasukan mo sa mall. Ano, may mga stores na rin here. So, you know, may puntahan, may Primark, may Zara. Our new favorite department store, Primark. Sobrang, super mura. Like, of our mini, ready na yung aming mini luggage for our shopping. So, ayan yung mall. Ang dami rin, ang daming store. Maubos talaga yung buong araw mo here. Going shopping. Ayan. So, we always have our mini luggage. Ayan. Pag nagsha-shopping kasi para hindi nabitbitin lahat. Para maliliit na bagay or kaya naman ilagay sa luggage niya. We always prepare. Para madali lang siya itulak compare kung bitbit mo lahat ng mga support. So, then dito guys, Europe sabi nila, may bayad yung mga rent. Which is true naman. Pero actually madami rin libre. Minsan sa mga tourist spots, yan, libre yung CR, lalo na sa mga mall, kuwari pasok kayo sa mall, pero may ibang malls na you have to buy something and they'll give you a code. Pero mostly, siguro mabibilang lang sa stay namin for now. We've been here in Europe for at least 2 weeks. And siguro nagbayad lang kami at least, for me ako personally, I think nagbayad pa lang ako once. Yeah, kasi yun talaga yung I cannot pigil it. I cannot stop it. Kasi minsan pinipigil ko, then I'll look for medyo libre. Pag kaya pa. Pero pag hindi na, no. Ayan. Malaki rin ng mall here, oh. Ang ganda. Oh, and my grocery downstairs. I love going to groceries, like local groceries in every country I go. Kasi doon makikita yung mga kakaibang food and of course compare prices as well. French van, Yves Rochelle. Dito store, so parang dito pala ubos na ubos. Hindi pa kami nakakarating na outlet. Pero outlet muna. Guys, punta kayo here. Ayan ang laki. Bershka, Promon. Ang dami here. If you're gonna go to Paris and you have extra day, or laan talaga kayo ng araw, going to the outlet. Kasi may mall pa siya prior the outlet. So the outlet is named La Vallée Village. La Vallée Village. May mga restaurants din here, oh. Restaurant. Waffles. Ayan, oh. Poke balls. Our new favorite, Highmark. Guys, maganda rin talagang minsan pag hindi kayo naka-tour left. Kasi maiikutan nyo lahat. Makapunta kayo ng mall. Kasi pag sa tour kasi hindi kayo makakapunta. Tuwa siya. The brand. Wow! Ang ganda ng mall. Ayun, nakatabi lang talaga siya ng mall. Sa port. So, ayun na. Malapit na. Guys, pwede kayo mag-exit. Dulo to dulo lang sa mall. Kasi kami lumabas. Kasi yung pina-follow namin yung Google Maps, medyo nag-reroute siya. La Vallée Village. Ayan. Are you excited?
Yes! Excited! Let's go! Bili-bili na kayo dyan!
Hey! I'll tour you.
Pupunta din kami.
And Tommy Hilfiger. Guys, baka I cannot show some stores. And the prices kasi medyo ayaw nila magpa-shoot ng video sa loob. Ayan. Cute ng mga stores dito. Very European din yung style. Ayan. Saint Laurent, Zimmermann. Yan, pila muna tayo sa Saint Laurent. Ayan. So, Perla. Ayan, ATC. Guys, ang mura ng Perla. Ayan. Mura ng Perla guys, kaso hindi ko kayo masyadong maikot. Mura siya. Like mga 10,000, 10 to 15,000. Valentino. And guys, galing kami sa Tory Burch and since it's a US brand, medyo mahal siya. Mas mura sa Japan and of course sa US. So, ang mura talaga yung Perla as in like 10,000 to 15,000. Actually, 10,000 may bag ka na. Ito, Balenciaga. May Chloe. Yan guys, Ferragamo, Chloe. So, mura siya. Guys, kakagaling lang namin sa Ralph Lauren. Mahal siya kasi American brand. So, napansin ko here, pag American brand, medyo mahal din talaga. So, yan. Usually, dapat European brands. Guys, Longchamp ang mura here. Longchamp kasi it's a France brand. Mura talaga siya. I'll just try to tell you the price or if ever. So guys, ang mura ng Longchamp here. Actually, maliit lang pala yung itong outlet. So, ang haba ng pila sa Gucci. May Ami Heart. Sorry, hindi ko kayo may iikot. At here, if you love Lacoste. Lacoste is very, very cheap. Like a shirt would just cost you around 2,000 pesos. Shirt yan guys ha, palang plain shirt siya. Ito yung pila sa Gucci, medyo mahaba talaga siya. Meron din Jo Malone. So guys, if you're gonna go here in the outlet, yan, like I said, maganda talaga pag European brands. Yeah. Since Gucci is a European brand, mas mura talaga siya. Ayan, merong Jimmy Choo, Givenchy, yan, Kenzo. Pero ang cute naman nila kasi parang siyang small French village. May MK din. Kaso guys, MK is American brand, so medyo mas mahal siya. Pincel is a nice Paris brand of bag. Yun yung price nito. Ayan ang discount. Around 300 euro. May Burberry. May mga restaurants din here. Small cafes. Yes, meron din here. And Burberry. Merong Balmain. Louis V. UGG. Kasi yung Louis V, there's no bags. Or not Louis V, but Louis V. There's no bags. Mostly clothes lang. Ami Heart. Ang ganda, tita. Mike. Guys, ang ganda daw. Yan, Golden Goose if you're shoe lover. Kaso, sobrang mahal. Like, mga 35. Ayan. Yan. How much? How much? 31K. I'm not familiar with the Golden Goose actually sa shoes, pero ano siya guys, if you're a shoe lover, you know what you know. If you know, you know. You're a shoe lover, if you know, you know. So yun, mga 30 plus ang isang shoes dito sa Golden Goose. Yan, Lacoste yung shirt, sabi ng brother ko, mga 2,000 pesos daw. Yung plain na white shirt. So, yun na guys, maliit lang talaga siya. Guys, meron pang Prada, Versace. Katabi lang ng mall yung outlet. The outlet. Yan yung outlet. Laval. So, katabi lang talaga siya. So, babalik na ako ng mall because I wanna go to some stores. Yung Primark, Stradivarius, Pamod. Okay na ako din. Medyo mainit. So, kaya, shall go back to the mall. Parang may food court, may grocery, may Korean here. Just looking for Korean. Ayan. Ito din pala doon. May burrito, may Mexican. Dito sa mall, madami. Meron din palang aquarium here. Oh. Ayan, sa baba siya. If you wanna visit. So, ito na. We're back at the mall. Paano mura lang yung mga bread? So, 6 euro. Indian, Mexican style. Meron din donuts is 3 euros. Pastries. Sit din talaga ng mall here. Kung napagod kayo, meron din silang mga chairs, couches. H&M, Uniqlo. Ito.
So for lunch, we choose to have Korean food.
Grabe.
Dapat lang, 3 euros lang.
2 for 2. 3 euro. We have a cookie.
Hindi masyado matagal.
Puno na ba? Ayan, napagod na
Sino winner? Sino
kakasabi.
winner?
Sino winner? Ayun ang
Por favor,
winner.
amigo. Mucho dinero. Halika na, halika.
Katapos lang namin. Now we're going back to Paris. To our place. Ang next namin is the Lafayette. So, we're back here. Train station. Another ticket. Last stop. Last stop. This is Lafayette. Last day to appreciate the beauty of Paris. Buying some. I'll have it's 4.50 and like 3 euros. What else? Mura ng Nutella. It smells good. It smells chocolatey. Let me try this. Wow. It's chocolate chickpeas. May crunchy. Milk chocolate. Tapos medyo milk chocolate na medyo dark. Sponge cake. Yeah. One more. Or cream puff the cream puff. Small cream puff first. So good. Napang cream puff pub. We'll try the big one. Try to burst it. May naman siya. Meron. May naman siya. Wow. Sarap ng cream puff. Buttery siya. Ang sarap ng feeling. Moist. It's chocolate, the flavor.
Thank you for watching and see you on my next vlog. Like it, share, subscribe.